Hey y'all, so what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So today is gonna be my Boxycharm premium. Yeah, that's what it's called. My Boxycharm premium unboxing for the month of August today. So, sorry if my throat sounds a little weird. I just got up and was getting around for work, so I haven't really talked or anything yet. So, I'm still trying to wake up a little bit. Thought I'd film real quick. I had like an extra 15 minutes. So, I have already opened my box and looked inside just because I can never wait. Because sometimes it takes me a long time to get around to filming these because I've been working so much lately. But this month's theme was, I don't really know because it doesn't say. It just has like s'mores and camping on the front of the card. That's what it looks like. So first thing I got in this month's box was this MAC Satin Lipstick in the shade Mocha. I'm actually really excited about this. I've never owned a MAC lipstick before. And this retails for $19. So here's a close-up of what the shade looks like. It is going to be perfect going into fall. I am just so excited for this. And then next up in the box, we got the Ciate London, the New England Editor Palette. It retails for $32. So the packaging is just really shimmery on the outside. And then the palette is like a pink with like a blue. It's interesting. And then here's what the inside looks like. It has a really nice mirror. I love that. And I love these like warmer tones leading into fall. I'm excited to try this out. I've never tried out a Ciate London palette before. Let me know in the comments if you guys have. I've tried out like Ciate's powders and stuff like that. I actually got a new watermelon powder in my Ipsy bag. Okay, and then the next thing we got is this Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. It retails for $33, and I am so excited to have this because I actually had one of these, went through all of it, and now I have a new one. This is a really good powder. Here's what the front looks like. It's just a black lid with Too Faced on the front. I really love this powder. It's so good. Highly worth the $33. Then we got this Milk Makeup Longwear Eyeliner. It retails for $22. And it is it's like a gel liner. Comes with the smudger on one end and then like the crayon pencil on the other. It's in the shade Bonus. It's kind of like a kind of coppery color. So here's what it looks like close up. And then on the other end of the pencil, you get a smudger, so you can kind of like smudge this out if you're wanting to do like a kind of like smudged eyeliner, kind of smoky eye look. Alright, the next thing we got was this Fenty Beauty Portable Contour and Concealer Brush. It retails for $24. And it's just this little pink brush. Kind of looks like this. And then you just open it up, push this down, and you have your little brush. I'm not sure if I'm actually going to get any use out of this. I can see it being good to throw in your purse or for traveling. The brush is really dense. I can see it being good for maybe a liquid blush. That might be good for that. So, you know, I feel like I could try it out and like it. And then the last thing we got in the box and I've actually been using it. Where's that? And this was the item that I picked out this month. It's the Ole Henriksen Truth Brightening All Day. Oh wait, that's not what's called. It's just the Banana Brightening Face Primer. I was reading like what it talks about on the front of the package anyways. It's a primer. It doesn't smell like bananas. I thought it was going to smell like bananas. But it smells like oranges. It kind of just has like an orange look to it there. And then it's really nice. It kind of leaves a shimmer on the skin, I feel like. But yeah, it smells like an orange dreamsicle. It does not smell like bananas. I thought it was going to smell like bananas. So the total retail for this month's Boxycharm is $168. And we pay, I think it's $39 for it. So I feel like it was a great box this month. Everything in that box I'm going to use. So that's when you know it's a good month. When you know you're going to use everything in the box. Most of the time it's like, oh, I'll use like 2-3 products out of the box. The other ones I'm not really interested in. But this month I'm interested in all of them. So y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that thumbs up button and subscribe before you leave my video. And yeah, leave me a comment below. Let me know like what you got in your Boxycharm. If you're gonna use your products, you know, that kind of stuff. Anyways, I'm gonna quit blabbing. Y'all have a great day, and don't forget that you are absolutely stunning. Bye y'all. Thanks for watching.
So check out my Instagram pages at Colorful Gadget or my new brand at Spunky Scrunchies. And don't forget, if you haven't subscribed, click the circular icon in the middle. Or if you haven't seen my most recent or another favorite of mine, click the one on the top right or the bottom right.